He told me that your best friend on ship should be manuals. That the biggest problem with me not clearing SSB was.
Hi, this is Team Merchant Navy Decoded, and today we are asking Praneeth sir some questions that have been asked by students on Instagram. So, sir, are you ready for the first question?
Yes, I am damn ready.
All right. So, the first question is, sir, please tell us about your first time seasickness.
Well, my first time seasickness happened on the third day when I had joined my first ship, and the ship was slightly rolling only. And as a person, I am who can feel very bad, very dizzy, even on a slight roll. So it was a very bad experience. But over the years, I have learned to sail with it. And in a course of time, even if it is today rolling with 15-20 degrees, I feel bad. I don't eat food, but I have managed to survive.
The next question, sir, is what is your qualification?
Well, just a BTech marine engineering, only that much, sadly.
Sir, how you got the first sail after clearing your class 4 COC?
Well, I was lucky enough to be sailing in a good reputed shipping company. So after completing my class 4 COC, they called me, okay, bhai, join back as fourth engineer. I said, yes, why not?
So one student is asking, sir, are you in Anglo-Eastern, right?
No, sorry, I can't disclose my present shipping company. Most importantly, yes, all I can disclose is I'm working on Merchant Navy Decoded. I'm the director and co-founder JMD Academy. And yes, few more plans going on over here. Thank you very much.
So since how many years have you been serving in the Merchant Navy?
Since 2007, I have been closely associated with Merchant Navy. So it's been around 14 years.
Sir, why you left Maersk Tankers?
Well, I'm so sorry to say that, but I have never sailed with Maersk tankers. So there was no point leaving Maersk tankers when I have not sailed in it.
One student asks, how is your health, sir?
Very bad these days. You can see I'm coughing right now. But most importantly, to be very honest, I'm on a very big guilt trip that I don't exercise, which I need to do. So I can say that I'm not physically fit anymore that I used to be. I'm not mentally fit because I do not exercise. And sadly, I keep saying that I need to do, but I'm still not doing it, which is very bad on my part.
So what are the difficulties you faced on ship?
A lot of difficulties, but the most important thing which came in the form of difficulty or in the form of opportunity was that I learned how to learn. I learned that if you know your work, you have the power. If you don't know your work, you will have tough time on ship. And now I'd learned it on ship, but today it stands anywhere and everywhere. You know your job, people will respect you. You don't know your job, Jai Mata Di, band baj jayegi.
What is your age, sir?
Well, yes, you can ask because see, I don't mind telling I'm 37 right now. I look young, but I'm not.
So please tell your experience as a class 4 engineer.
My experience as a class 4 engineer, if I try to remember, learning experience, guys, because as a junior engineer, I had a tough time, did not learn much. And as a fourth engineer, the third year, it's just learning phase. I was lucky enough to sail with some very good chief engineers. One of them was Chief Engineer Pankaj sir. Today he is a senior technical superintendent with one of the most reputed shipping companies. He taught me the importance of reading manuals. He told me that your best friend on ship should be manuals. And since then I am following his advice and it has worked wonders for me. And I feel that it will work wonders for you as well.
So another question comes asking, what is the dream of your life?
Dream of my life is, well, to be very honest, I don't believe in telling the thing. But believing in Chanakya Niti, but still I would say one thing, I want to create an impact. अब वो कितना बड़ा impact होगा, that my hard work, destiny, everything is going to tell. But I want to create an impact in people's lives. It can be this big, it can be this big, it can be this big. That depends on my efforts, my hard work, my attitude.
So which university did you study at, sponsorship or got selected during campus placements?
Well, during my times, I cleared IIT. On the basis of my IIT mains rank, I got into MERI Kolkata College, which today is known as IMU Kolkata. I did my BTech Marine Engineering from there. And since then, I am sailing. Jai Mata Di.
So if you can, please tell us the companies you have sailed for.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm not going to tell you the present shipping company that I'm sailing with, but I'll tell you the companies that I've sailed with. My first shipping company was Searland. Then I joined BP Shipping. After that, I switched over to Anglo-Eastern.
Where did you study, sir?
I studied in Dehradun at St. Joseph's Academy. And when I shifted to marine engineering, I did it from MERI Kolkata College.
So, what is the most valuable thing you learned while you're training at MERI Kolkata?
फ्रेंडशिप, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप, दोस्ती बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. एंड आई लर्न दैट एट MERI कोलकाता.
Another student asks, सर जब आप चीफ इंजीनियरिंग करने गए थे तब आपके साथ ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम आपने फेस करा जो आप किसी को नहीं बताना
किसी को
चाहिए?
नहीं बताना चाहते भाई. देखो, जो किसी को नहीं बता सकते तो आपको कैसे बताऊं, वो भी ऑन सोशल मीडिया, नॉट पॉसिबल. मे बी सम अदर डे. जय माता दी. बट हाँ, हर किसी के कुछ अपने सीक्रेट्स होते हैं, मेरे भी हैं. मे बी सम अदर डे.
सर आपका SSB एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो एन NDA एस्पिरेंट.
Guys, I have failed in NDA 3 times. All 3 times I was conference out. I screened in all 3 times. I am PABT cleared. And I realized that the biggest problem with me not clearing SSB was मेरे अंदर जुनून नहीं था, मेरे अंदर पैशन नहीं था. मैं सिर्फ ऊपर से आर्मी में जाना चाहता था, बट उसके लिए वो जिद, वो पैशन, वो हंगर नहीं थी, विच दे कुड ईजिली सी. माई एफर्ट्स वर वेरी लेस. And that is why I failed all 3 times. My biggest regret till date.
So how do you manage time while sailing and family and children issues too?
Nobody can manage these stuffs. जो लोग यहाँ रह रहे हैं वो नहीं मैनेज कर पाते, हम लोग जहाज में कैसे करेंगे? You see, it's simple, guys. You learn to live with it. Because problems are never going to end. Struggles are never going to end. So you learn to live with it.
There's a student who wants to know just one thing. He has written one word: salary question mark.
See, there is a saying, never ask a woman her age and never ask a man his salary. So sorry, my fingers are crossed. Jai Mata Di. ना आज बताऊंगा ना कल.
So one best thing and one worst thing you've gone through in your career in Merchant Navy.
See, both best and worst thing were on the first ship, where I learned कि if you do not know your work, you are going to go it is going to be bad phase of your life. So it was a bad phase because I did not know my work, but it was a good phase because I learned that if I know my work, I will be in a good space. So I learned during my first ship both the good and the bad things, and that was importance of knowledge.
So what are your plans of earning after sailing?
After sailing, well, I am already the director of GMD Academy, mentoring students to get into Merchant Navy through DNS, through IMU CT, and apart from that, I am running a successful website called Merchant Navy Decoded. And yes, there are a few more plans running, but let's see, keeping my fingers crossed. पहले ये कामयाब हो जाए तब आगे बढ़ेंगे भाई. जय माता दी.
So now we have the last question. The student asks, Sir, are you scared of rough seas, rogue waves and storms? If yes, how did you manage to overcome it?
Yeah, as a middle class man, we have got this biggest capsule in our life, and that is called zimmedari, responsibility. So yes, I am afraid of bad weathers. Yes, I am afraid of storms. Yes, I am afraid of ship rolling and pitching. But there is one thing which does not let me quit. That is my family responsibilities. Guys, if you have liked the video, please like it, share the video, subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions left, please ask in the comment section. I will try to be as honest as possible. Jai Mata.